welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about me. I'm speaking about myself, so you guys and girls and boys can get to know me better. Yeah, my name is Sonia. I was born in Lisbon, Portugal. Yeah, I live in this country in London, UK, London, about 11 years now. I've got 4 beautiful children that I love them so much. I grew up with 6 brothers. Yeah, I grew up with 6 brothers, and with me 7. I had a full house, as you imagine. My dad died when I was about 3-4 years old. Yeah, if I remember, I'm not sure, but I think it's about when I was about 3-4 years old. Yeah, as you imagine, life it was a bit tough. Yeah, but yeah, my mom did struggle. She struggled, but she did the best she could to maintain the house nice, to make sure there was food in our plates, because we was a lot of children inside the house without a father. But yeah, she was a very brave woman, and I'm just so proud of my mom. She's the best mom in the world, basically. And yes, yeah, back there when I was younger, I was the black sheep of the family, let's say that. Well, the reason I say that is because my mom used to speak with me. I don't used to listen to her. I used to do whatever I like, and the consequences just came back soon, obvious. And I had my first daughter when I was 16. Yeah. I had lots of failed relationship. Boy, years and years in pain, stress and depression. But you know, when you're strong, when you just born strong, it's not just small things that is gonna put you down. Yeah, even if you cry, like a whole human day cried. If you're sad, you're gonna cry. Yeah, that's more than normal. You sad, you cry. You cry, and you're not gonna be less person if you cry. Cry is human, and you feel good after a good night crying, or a 5 minutes crying, an hour crying. You feel good. Yeah. If human don't cry, their heart is a rock. Yeah, you know, a solid rock. So you need to cry. So cry is nice. Anyways, yeah. So friendship, friends. Oh boy, friends. Woohoo, friends. Friends is a good word. I love the word friends. Yeah, but unfortunately, I don't have a good experience with friends. In the past, I had lots of friends. Yes, I used to go out with my friends, sleepovers, partying every 3-4 times a week. Yes, like a low life. Yeah, because back there we was thinking, yeah, we party every day, we are brave women, so you've got the attention for all the boys. No, that's not a life. Life is not about that. But yeah, when we're young, that's the way we think, and no one is gonna change it. Yeah, as you grow up, the way you think, you're gonna start to change, to think differently. Definitely, yes. That's what I learned, because I used to be just like yeah. But yes, well, I was surrounded with many fake ass bitches. Yeah, just to be honest, not lying. The right words to say is fake ass bitches. That's what these people called friends. They was to me. They stabbed me on my back. They cheated on me. They even steal stuff from me. But it's fine. Like life is the way it is. Like when you do something bad, obvious. This bad thing that you did with someone is gonna come back to you. That's karma. So like I'm cool. But it's really sad when you think that you've got friends and they just come and do bad things to you, but you just learn. Yeah, if you're not weak, you're gonna learn something. Even if it's a bad thing, it's a good thing. You're gonna learn. Every time that something happens, you're gonna learn from it. So yeah, and yes, life is the way it is. And yeah, I had many failed relationships. Yeah, failed relationship. And why? Is it my fault? No, I don't think so. It's all about age. As you grow up, you see that you are a woman and you deserve the best. And we cannot allow any cunt to break our hearts. Yeah. To mess with us, to disrespect, because we deserve the best. We deserve respect. And if I had failed relationship, basically is because I don't deal with disrespect. I think all the women we don't like people disrespecting us, especially the man that is just right in our side. And it's really sad when when you're in a relationship and you think that you can trust someone, and then the next thing that happens, they just do something bad, something to hurt you, and you don't like it. So, and sometimes cheating happens. Sometimes there's lots of things that can destroy a relationship. And for me, even if I'm in a relationship with someone else, this guy, they need to respect me. That's the first important thing to me. I don't know about yourself, but me, if I'm with the guy, this guy needs to respect me. So if he wants respect for me, he needs to respect me. Respect me and I respect you. It's simple as that. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for anything else, because life is about respect and love each other. Yeah. And a man must be always respect a woman. Never ever let her down. They come with this conversation, because you no one is gonna like you. You are fat. Your boobs are saggy, even though they know you had their child. Oh boy. Yeah, no, you cannot allow men to disrespect you. So don't think that, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 relationship, no one is gonna like me and blah blah blah. That's a lie, man. That's a lie. Even if you're fat, if you're skinny, you'll find the right man that I'm sure is gonna love you. Yeah. Yes, and there's always someone that is gonna accept us the way we are. The way we are. Yes, I must say that England is a very good country. I love living here. I've been living here for the past 11 years, like I said at the beginning. And there's a nice city. People, I've met some nice and adorable people that I never forget them. But yes, life goes on, booze. Basically, all good things come for those who wait. All good things come to those who do good things as well. It's not like about, I'm gonna sit down doing bad things to this person with that person that your life is gonna be good. That's a lie. You might be happy because you did something bad for that next person, and you see her crying, you see her heart being broken, you see her just sad, and you feel good about it. Yeah, maybe for a couple of minutes, but it's not good. We are not supposed to feel happy about seeing people bad, seeing people sad. So yeah, basically when I look into my past, I don't see things that could change, rather than things that change me. Yeah. So people, that's a bit of myself. Yes. If you like, subscribe to my beautiful channel. I will post more videos about my lifestyle, about hair, beauty, about whatever I like, because life is not just about nice hairstyles, nice makeup, nails done. No, life is about everything. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question that you want to ask me, just write down below, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and with the time you're gonna know me better. So that's all I want. Have a blessed day, ladies. Make sure that you're gonna be happy, and subscribe to my channel if you like. Bye bye. Mwah.